Hi, this is Steve at PC Medic, and what we've got is a little product demonstration for you. So these are two i5 2.7 GHz processor laptops, both Dells, similar spec. They have got 10 GB in this side, 8 GB in this side, but this has got a 1 TB hard drive, and this one has got only 128 GB hard drive. Now the difference between the two is this one's a standard hard drive and this one is a solid state. Now solid state hard drives are much faster, and we're going to show you the difference between them. So theoretically, if the adverts would have you believe the more gigabytes you've got, the faster it will be. So this has got 10 gig of RAM, and people are obsessed. They come into our shop all the time saying, I need one with lots of gigabytes of RAM and lots of gigabytes of hard drive. That does not make a computer faster. It's the processor, and that's the number one thing you should be looking at when you're looking at a machine, is the processor speed. It's the one thing you very rarely can change, but what you can do is you can change the memory and you can change the hard drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you that by a simple change of fitting a solid state hard drive, that you can make a world of difference to the performance of a laptop. So what we're going to do is we're going to take both of these now, set both of these, and what we're going to do is we're going to just restart them from within Windows, and it's literally too quick from a cold boot to show you the difference. So we're going to make it do something that's a little bit longer. So we're going to shut down from within Windows, down to the BIOS, and then back up again, which theoretically should give it a little bit more time. It's longer race, and you should see a bigger difference in performance. Now I'm just going to grab my stopwatch, and I'm going to time it, and we're going to see how long it takes. So I'm going to hit restart on both of them, this one first and then that one, as quickly as I can. There you go. And we're going to start the timer. So they're both shutting down. And we're at 10 seconds. And the one on this side has actually got a password on it. So I'm just going to put my password in, which obviously slows it down a little bit. And that one's in Windows. And bear in mind, I've had to take 2 or 3 seconds to put my password in. And then that one's in Windows. Now total boot for both of them, the one on that side was just under a minute. This one was in Windows in 45 seconds. That's just taking off a couple of seconds for the password. So roughly 45 seconds. So we're only 15 seconds difference. But in real terms, when you're reinstalling Windows, when you're doing things on a day-to-day basis, it makes a massive difference on the way that Windows works. Just simple things like going on the internet, opening Internet Explorer and things like that can make a big difference in speed. Now this is where things can go horribly wrong when you've not pre-prepared, but if I hit Internet Explorer on that one and that one at the same time, you'll see that that one opens Google much quicker, and this one a couple of seconds later. So real terms, it can make a big difference in performance just having a solid state hard drive. So that's our little product demonstration. We realise there is a few variables, but this one has got a much more powerful memory. This one's got a faster hard drive. I'm Steve, and this is PC Medic.